How to configure Enhanced Anti-Spoofing for Windows Hello Face Authentication. Want to level up your Windows security game? Let's talk about Enhanced Anti-Spoofing for Windows Hello. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Windows Hello Face Authentication. Ready for your close-up? We all love the convenience of Windows Hello. Logging in with a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition instead of typing a password. Not only is it faster, but it also makes your accounts more secure since you don't have to type your password every time. But here's the catch. Traditional facial recognition can be tricked by photos or videos, a tactic known as spoofing. That's where Enhanced Anti-Spoofing comes in. This feature requires supported hardware, like an infrared camera, and adds extra verification layers so imposters can't fool the system. Stop the imposters. Enabling Enhanced Anti-Spoofing. There are two main ways to enable this feature: the Registry Editor and the Local Group Policy Editor. Keep in mind you'll need administrator rights, and it's a good idea to back up your system or registry first. Option 1. The Windows Registry. Just type regedit in the Run menu. Then, navigate to H-key, Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft. Create a key called Biometrics, then under that, another key named Facial Features. Inside there, add a new DWRD value called Enhanced Anti-Spoofing and set it to 1. Reboot, and you're done. Option 2. The Local Group Policy Editor. Open gpedit.msc, then head to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Biometrics, Facial Features. Double-click Configure Enhanced Anti-Spoofing and set it to Enabled. Save it, reboot, and you're all set. Additional tips. Heads up, if your face login vanishes after this, your webcam may not support anti-spoofing. Infrared support is a must-have for this to work. This feature is a no-brainer if you manage devices in a business or school environment. That's it. A few clicks today mean a safer login tomorrow. Stay secure, and remember, you're the best password your system could ever have. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to configure Enhanced Anti-Spoofing for Windows Hello Face Authentication, linked in the description below.